Open the pure water valve. Turn the start key of the steam generator. Press start. Open the compressed air valve. Press the on-off power supply and the mounted power supply on the electric box and wait for the screen display to enter the corresponding page. Setting according to requirements. Sterilization temperature, dispensing temperature and constant temperature time. Please use a spanner to open the lid of the tank. Open pure water valve to add pure water in medium materials and additives. Close the lid of the tank. Be sure to use a spanner to tighten the screws on the lid. Be sure to wait for the pressure gauge to match the pressure value displayed by the pressure controller. After the pressure is consistent, the steam valve must be opened slowly. Press print, beep, motor on, start and heat up on the screen. The system starts heating until the medium temperature reaches the set sterilization temperature. Automatic printing of recorded data during equipment operation. 20. When the set temperature is reached, it will automatically turn to constant temperature timing and the indicator light will turn red. In the end of the thermostatic timing, the system automatically cools down to the dispensing temperature and the indicator light turns yellow. When it reaches dispensing temperature, the thermostatic filling and dispensing buttons flash simultaneously and the indicator light turns green. Close the sterile air valve. Open the safety valve. At this time, the pressure gauge value is 0. Screen pressure is 0.01 negligible. Open the medium outlet and connect the dispenser tube into the outlet. Put and tighten the clamp on the silicone tube 12 by 18. Connect to the medium discharge port, the other end through the T connected to the peristaltic pump. See details of linear filling and sealing machine. Open the sterile air valve. Press dispense to start dispensing. Close the sterile air valve when dispensing is complete. Switch off dispensing and thermostatic filling. Open the safety valve. At this time, the pressure gauge value is 0. Screen pressure is 0.01 negligible. Remove the silicone tube and the discharge tube and tighten the dispensing cap. Press steam clean, hold for 30 seconds and then switch steam clean off. Press the button and switch off motor, start, print and beep in turn. Open the safety valve. At this time, the pressure gauge value is 0. Screen pressure is 0.02 negligible. Open the lid and wash the inside walls with pure water. Press drain and switch off the function when drain finished. Close the lid of the tank. Press the steam generator stop button and turn the key to the off position. Switch off the power supply of thermometer power and switching power. Close the steam valve. Close the pure water valve. The drain valve must be opened slowly, only halfway, to prevent excessive pressure. When the water level reaches to the bottom, close the drain valve. You are recommended to drain after each use. The drainage valve must be opened slowly to prevent excessive pressure. When the sound of water is over, close the drain valve. You are recommended to drain after each use. Close the compressed valve. Keep and store the working data appropriately.